got a freight train coming. I think it's Norfolk Southern. It's the ditch lights on the top. Yeah, it's definitely a freight train. It has to be Norfolk Southern. Ditch lights up at the top. Yep, that's Norfolk. I see the white, I think. Hope I get a horn salute. It's GM, I think, leading. Oh, I need a horn salute. You better do it, dude. Turn my light on to indicate that I'm recording it. Might have a RS 3L. Oh, it's a CSX train, but has a Norfolk Southern leading it. I think it's awesome. 2 GMs for normal locomotive. Loop. So it's really a CSX train. It has Norfolk Southern leading it. Yeah, Norfolk Southern's helping when we get DPUs. Because right now Norfolk Southern's doing the work. Usually when we see Norfolk, that means DPU. But I don't know. Convoy too. We have a convoy going underneath the train. I'm sure that other YouTuber caught this. There's another YouTuber around here close by. I'm sure he got it. What's he hauling? A big dump truck? Big dump truck. Oh, well, this is cool. I'm not getting a DPU. Thought we would have at least gotten a DPU because Norfolk Southern's doing the work with the little GM. Better than nothing. So I'm assuming when they come back, CSX is going to be leading it. If I get it coming back, I'll try to come here later and see if I can get the train coming back. Normally I'd be trash trucks, be filming trash trucks, hoping for like an M2 Freightliner or McNeilus or, well, those are gone. I don't think those are happening ever again. But like an International Ohio or McNeilus, I really want an International Ohio, but I don't think that's going to happen because they're going extinct. The guy at the auction told me that the city wants to get rid of all of them and make more Freightliner SD new ways and International new ways, which is stupid. It's because the International Ohio's are unbeatable. You just can't beat them. I mean, it's not the workers' fault though, but I don't know why they want to throw out a reliable truck. I've never seen those dumpsters before.